Hello, welcome back. This is video number 5. This is the new evolution of CPA offers. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, the purpose of this video is to show you the roadblocks when it comes to finding high converting offers, especially for newbies. So if you're just getting started and you've tried CPA offers before and you haven't had a lot of success, this might work. This might be an easier route for you. And the reason why it's easier is it's becoming more popular. It's sort of a smart artificial intelligence computer, and that can figure out what kind of CPA offers your traffic is going to convert the best. So how does that work? Right, before I talk about that, let's talk about the problem with CPA. The problem with CPA is that there is a learning curve. Newbies who jump in without a mentor or experience will often fail. This is because it requires one to choose the right offers and connect them with the right audience or the right traffic source. So some CPA offers will not convert really well on certain traffic sources. So if you don't know that, and you don't know how that works, and you try it out, that might be the explanation as to why you're not seeing any conversions. Especially when it comes to paid traffic, what we found over the years is that you really need to know your audience. So trying to promote 20 different offers to 20 different niches means that you have to understand 20 different audiences. Now, you may not have heard this, but you need to know the demographic of that audience. So in other words, you really need to think about, okay, what is this person, what they're thinking like, what's their day-to-day, what they like, what they don't like. That means you're going to have to figure out 20 different audiences. So specializing in one vertical or one niche, like weight loss for maybe moms who may have had a kid, have gotten pregnant, and they're looking to lose weight. That particular segment of audience might be somebody you're looking to attract, or somebody who visits a specific site in a specific country. So a lot of times what we found is offers that you go and you target people in Italy who are interested in a specific thing. So a lot of times United States or UK type traffic is really expensive, and you don't want to start there. If you start there, you're going to be competing with a lot of super affiliates. So you generally want to start with something like India or Italy or Norway or Russia, places like that, which is a lot of places that most CPA affiliates do not target. And this is what we call tier 2 or tier 3 countries. They have cheaper traffic, but their traffic tends to convert a lot better. So this is the reason why a lot of CPA affiliates fail. So if that sounds like you, it's okay, not a big deal. Let's move on. So even if you're doing a lower number, like 5 different products, different offers, it's still going to be hard. So another example or another analogy is making friends. You know, if you meet 5 different people and you try to learn those 5 different people, it's going to be hard, right? But if you hone in one person and you really get to know that person really well, and you're going to need to figure out the likes and dislikes, it's going to be a lot easier. So knowing that that's an issue, what if there was an easier way to convert web traffic regardless of what the offer is? Let's say that we have a mainstream sweepstakes offer, or mainstream dating offer, or a diet loss, weight loss pill mainstream offer. Is that even possible to just send a specific general targeted traffic to a link and it convert? Is that possible? So that was not possible, you know, a decade ago or even a few years ago, but it is possible today. And that's what we call smart offers. So it's basically a smart computer that will figure out what best offer to present to the traffic that you're sending. So the supercomputer will detect, okay, this visitor is coming from this country and maybe this website. Let's show them this offer. So the smart computer or the smart offer for that network might have maybe 100 different offers, and it'll know based on an algorithm which best offer to present. And the answer, this is what we call smart links. Smart links. Okay, what is a smart link? Now, if you do a Google search on smart links CPA, you will find that more and more CPA networks are creating their own smart link system, which is basically a really smart system that can figure out where the person is coming from and which offer to present them. In fact, we've recently started promoting smart links, and we found that promoting them, actually, we get more conversions promoting a smart link versus promoting a specific offer, which is really interesting. So you're basically allowing the artificial intelligence or the computer to figure that out. Now, this is great for what we call remnant traffic, or traffic that isn't necessarily target 100%, but this is great for newbies. All right. So let me show you how to find the networks that offer this really cool feature right now. All right. Okay, so what I would do is I would head on over to offervault.com or even afpaying.com and type in the word smart link. It's a very common word, so most CPA networks will know what a smart link is. Now, not every CPA network has what we call a smart link. So if you type that in, sometimes you'll see smart, okay, write this one right here. It says binary crypto smart link. So we know cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are very popular right now. Basically, if we click this here, and we got smart link, no aggressive and no adults, mobile optimized. That means that if you drive generic or general mobile, let's say pop ads, that would be good. So if we click this here, we can get a general idea of the smart link. So this one says no aggressive, no adult, mobile optimized, international. That's good. So another thing that works really well when it comes to the approval process is when you apply to an affiliate CPA network, you say, you know, I'm a media buying agency or I'm a digital marketing agency, and I'm looking specifically to promote your smart link or promote the specific offer. So the more specific you get, the better that you will get approved. Because most of the times CPA networks, they just get generic applications, but if you're specific, they know, okay, this person is smart, or this person's very specific, they know exactly what they want. That's a good sign. So these are smart link offers, and I can tell you off the bat a few more, but let's go to afpaying.com and type in smart link and just see what we get. So most sites nowadays have smart links. Los Polos, that's actually a dating adult smart link. OG Ads has a smart link, or they may, I don't know. Burton has a smart link. So smart links are very popular nowadays. So just go through, see what you like, and go from there. You just got to figure out, am I going through the mainstream audience? Am I going through mainstream dating, or am I going through, adult type stuff? So once you figure that out, you can go find the smart link that fits you. So Mobi Idea also has a smart link. They have really good offers, but they have a smart link as well. Now, what I found is that some CPA networks, their smart link works really well, and some CPA networks, their smart link doesn't really work really well. So one way to going about doing this is to contact your affiliate manager and just ask them, okay, so which smart link converts on what country and what traffic source? And the thing is, because affiliate managers, they want you to generate more leads, they're most likely going to tell you the traffic source and give you some direction on the top geos or the top countries. So that's basically how to find a smart link and why smart links are essentially the next step that you want to take.